Hi, in today's video I wanted to share with you a queso recipe, and this recipe is easy, clean, and versatile. All the ingredients are whole foods, which means this recipe is oil-free, gluten-free, and of course vegan. This recipe can be used with so many different dishes and food, and I love that. So without further ado, let's get into the recipe. For this recipe, you will need 1 large sweet potato chopped to large chunks, which is about 2 cups of sweet potato. You will also need 2 to 3 small medium potatoes chopped to large chunks, which again is about 2 cups of potato. 3 to 4 carrots chopped to large chunks, which is about 2 cups of carrots. You will also need 1/3 cup of raw cashews that you have soaked for 4 to 8 hours in water. If you're short on time, use lukewarm water and soak it for 30 minutes to 1 hour and then drain. Next, you will need the juice of 1 lemon or lime. For seasoning, you will need 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, and of course you can adjust these to your own personal preferences. And finally, you will need 1/2 to 3/4 cups of water. To a pot, add a bit of water, a steaming tray, and steam the sweet potatoes, and carrots for 20 minutes or until soft. When they are soft and the cashews are done soaking, it is time to prepare the queso. In a blender, add all the ingredients: the sweet potatoes, carrots, cashews, the garlic powder, salt, chili flakes, nutritional yeast, the juice of the lemon or lime, and water. Blend everything together until you reach a smooth consistency. If you like your queso to be more runny, you can of course add more water and continue blending. Then transfer to a storing container. I like to use airtight jars, and I like to keep half of the queso I make in the fridge for the upcoming week and the other half I freeze for another time. And I love using this queso on top of my nachos, fries, cooked veggies, raw veggies, or sometimes just dip your tortilla chips into. So I really hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like. It really makes my day and helps me out with the algorithm. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe down below to join the Living Life Simply community and never miss another video. Let me know in the comments below how you like to eat your queso, and feel free to share this recipe with whoever you think might enjoy it. I will see you all very soon with a new video. Bye!